And guys, hello! Welcome to another episode with QUIZME with Quibski. Yan, yung guest natin ngayon ay si Sir Ian. Sir Ian, pakilala ka naman.
Hi guys, my name is Mike Christian Galang. You can call me Ian for short. I'm currently working as a Windows Systems Engineer dito sa BGC, one of the companies, an Australian company. So yes.
Ayun guys, Windows admin. So kahit nasa AWS tayo, minsan may Windows talaga dito, no? Supported naman ng AWS ang Windows, di ba?
Yes sir, supported naman.
Sir Ian, anong certifications mo?
Currently, I'm handling for AWS, meron akong Solutions Architect na associate. That was last year ng November. Certified din ako ng VMware.
VMware, o yun.
Meron din ako certification ng VMware, it's a VCP certification. Certified din ako ng Citrix, ng associate ng Citrix.
Nice.
And ITIL as well.
Ayun, madaming different na certifications, no? Sir, nagulat ka ba nung isang taon yung in-announce nila yung VM and AWS na partnership?
Yes, actually nagulat ako, sir. Nagulat in a way and excited kasi magkasama na yung technology na pinili ko. Yun, sir.
So parang specialty na, no?
Tama, parang specialty.
Specialty na.
Okay. Na-try ko yung sa VMware on AWS, yung sa labs ni VMware, partnership with AWS. Napakaganda din.
Napakaganda, guys. So, kung dati kayong VMware, no? Ngayon, gamitin niyo na sa VMware on AWS Cloud. Yan.
Tama, sir.
Alright, handa ka na ba sa ating random questions?
Yes, I'll try. Kasi ang last certification ko, that was last year. So, yeah, hopefully, kaya natin to.
Okay, sige. Alright. So, babasahin ko yung mga questions, then pabasa na lang din ng sagot, and then answer to. So, first question of the night. You need to ensure that data traveling between AWS infrastructure components is kept within Amazon network when possible. So, bawal lumabas. You have been specially asked to ensure that data flowing to DynamoDB S3 Kinesis data streams stay within VPC. Choose an option below which meets this goal.
Yung first option would be add a static route within each routing table to ensure that the data for DynamoDB S3 and Kinesis data streams goes directly to a NAT gateway. Yes, possible.
Possible
Yes,
daw.
kasi it should be, if you want to keep it para hindi na lumabas, but directly it would be using NAT dapat. The second option is create a VPN to allow all data for DynamoDB S3 and Kinesis data streams to pass across it. Possible din.
Possible. Sounds correct din, no?
Yeah. Tapos yung pangatlo, there will be only traffic flowing between EC2 instances can be kept within a VPC. Traffic to all its services must pass directly out to the internet.
Parang sinasabi niya dito na yung iba, hindi talaga pwede maging sa loob lang ng VPC, no? Parang hindi daw possible yung scenario sa taas.
Tama, yes.
Tingnan natin, mukha bang tama to or
parang hindi eh. Yung number 3.
Kasi minsan, lahat nga posible. Ito, sinasabing imposible. Tingnan natin.
Parang number 4, create a VPC interface endpoint for all Kinesis data streams and create a VPC gateway endpoints for S3 and DynamoDB. Ito posible eh. Yung last option.
So, anong sagot natin dito, sir? Para sa'yo. 1, 2, 3, or 4?
Yung number 4.
Number 4.
Try natin.
Okay. Yan, tinan natin. Number 4 nga, guys. No? Yun, kasi good start. Yung VPC kasi endpoint, dati, nung nasa Classic pa especially, Amazon Web Services nga, web. Dumadaan lahat sa internet, no, or web, public. Pero nung na-introduce na yung VPC, syempre may call na for more secure data, controlled network, and so kailangan yung mga web services magkaroon na rin ng within endpoints or sariling path sa loob ng VPC
Yes, sir.
natin.
Tama yun eh, di ba? Para hindi siya dumaan through internet na.
Oo.
Dito sa VPC endpoint, tama yan.
Tama, dito lang siya sa loob. Okay, next question.
Good start.
Good start. Ito, madali lang to. Short lang. When creating a new security group, all inbound traffic is allowed by default. True or false?
Actually, for security group, that would be false.
False.
Kasi ang pagkakalam ko si security group doesn't need to have a two-way. Hindi mo siya kailangan tama ba ako si security group? Tama, security group.
So,
False.
Okay, false. Tingnan natin kung false. Yan, tama yan. Kasi inbound, by default, blacklist, no? Parang kailangan mo i-allow. Outbound yung allowed by default.
Si yung kailangan mong i-define ng two-way?
Knuckles.
NACLs.
NACLs. Okay, next question. Which of the following services allow you to enable encryption after creation? Ay, magandang question yan.
Good question.
Oo.
Which of the following services allow you to enable encryption after creation?
Medyo mahirap na tanong to, no? Pero good question to kasi laging pag nagawa na, pag hindi allowed, that means kailangan mo i-recreate.
Tama, sir.
So
yung first would be RDS database. 2 would be elastic file system. 3 S3 object or bucket. 4 is EBS volumes.
Yun.
Kasi kung tinitignan ko, sir, sa question, parang you should have, parang meron ka dapat nung full access doon. Kasi after creation na siya eh. I'll give a wild guess.
Sige.
EBS volume?
EBS volume? Sure ka na sa answer mo na yan?
Let's try. I think EBS volume.
Okay. EBS volume. Ay, hindi. At least S3. So, yung RDS, EFS, and EBS kailangan during creation.
During creation. Okay.
Oo. Yung S3 lang yung pwedeng i-enable ng encryption after creation. Oo.
Alright.
Alright. Next. If you are using Amazon RDS provided IOPS storage with a Microsoft SQL Server database engine, what is the maximum size RDS volume you can have by default? Hala. Ang hirap nitong question na to
kapag kaharap ko yung kapag kaharap ko yung white papers, definitely alam ko yung sagot na ito eh. Kaso if you are using Amazon RDS provision, IOPS storage with the maximum, a Microsoft SQL Server, that's volume you can have by default. Actually, sir, hindi ako sure sa sagot dito.
So, kung hindi mo alam yung sagot kunwari nag-exam ka, anong process mo?
Actually, ako, sir, ang unang titignan ko, it would be yung mag-base ako sa Amazon RDS provision, which is IOPS storage. So, that would be for input-output process. So, kung sabi niyang maximum, Amazon RDS, ang ginagawa ko kasi elimination ako usually. Kaso nga lang, under this elimination, parang mahirap siyang kasi default ang sinasabi niya, tas RDS, Amazon RDS. Kung, let's say for example, Amazon Aurora to, sabihin natin Aurora, kasi si Aurora ang pinakamataas na pwede magbigay ng service sa AWS.
Okay.
Pwede kong ibibigay sa kanya si pinakamalaki, si 32 terabytes.
Pero dahil hindi.
So si Amazon RDS, to the safe side, nasa gitna lang dapat siya.
Okay. So ang sagot mo ay
1 terabyte, 6 terabyte. Siguro, sir, I'll try the 6 terabyte.
6 terabyte. Kasi yung 500 gig, GB, medyo parang mababa.
Parang mababa masyado, sir. Same as 1 terabyte.
How about yung 16?
Pwede rin yung 16. Yan, yung dalawang yan, sir. Bali yung 500, eliminate ko na 1 terabyte, 32 terabyte. So yung dalawa lang yung, kaya nagpumili ako eh.
So, ang final answer mo ay?
Yung 6 terabyte, sir.
6 terabyte. Ako guys, hindi ko rin alam to. Mga maximum limit, hindi ko sure.
Ako, nahihirapan din ako, sir. On top of my head, parang hindi ko masyadong ano.
Sige, ikaw 6 terabyte. Ako,
yes, sir.
Kung ako huhulan nito, 16 ako.
16,
kasi
sir.
parang sweet spot for me. No? Okay, tingnan natin. 6 terabyte ba to? Yun.
Tama, sir.
Tama. Kasi pag nung ninisip ko, parang usually increments of 2 eh. Yung parang 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Yung 6 parang weird masyado for me. Kaya hinihulol ako 16. Pero
ganda nung strategy na yun, sir. Wala siya, not on top of my head. Pero, yeah.
Sige. Next question. Yan, mahaba-haba to. You are running your mission-critical application on a large number of on-demand EC2 and your monthly bill is suddenly growing each month. Your head of finance challenges the project to reduce infrastructure costs by 50% over the next 3 months. What can you suggest to optimize AWS infrastructure cost? Nako, laki, 50% agad.
50%. First would be consolidate your application to fewer larger instances and terminate some of your instances. Pwede tong ano na to eh. Kung sinasabi yan to terminate some of your instances para para makita mo sana kung ano yung mga hindi ginagamit. Usually may tool to sa AWS, sir, di ba? Yung
Trusted Advisor ba?
Trusted Advisor.
Pwede. Baka pwede nga na may iba doon na hindi ginagamit.
Sir, na hindi mga ginagamit. Like, may mga iba, I've experienced before, mga iba nagte-test ng instances. Pero after testing ng instances, iniiwan nilang naka-open eh.
Tama.
Number 2 is use reserve instances. Parang depende. Tapos, number 3 is dedicated hosts. Parang hindi pa rin, depende kung ano yung nire-require ng company. Minsan pa nga, mas mapapamahal ka sa dedicated host. Kung hindi
actually, mas mahal nga yan kasi parang $2 per hour additional nga yan eh.
Yes, sir. Itong use spot instances, I think, pwede. Posible.
Pwede.
Tama ako di ba sir, sa spot instances.
Pero ginagamit natin yung spot instances pag pwede siya i-terminate anytime. No?
Anytime, yes.
So, based sa question sa taas, ano dapat yung sagot mo?
Pwedeng balikan ko lang yung question, sir.
Yan, ito.
You are running your mission-critical application on a large number of on-demand EC2. So that would be on-demand EC2.
So, 1, 2, 3, or 4?
Yung number 2, sir.
Number 2.
Gamitin yung reserve instances.
Number 2.
Ayun,
tama. Ang gandang answer nga yung spot sana, pero mission critical eh.
Yes, sir. Tama.
Yun yung keyword doon.
Ang pagkakaalala ko kasi when I was reviewing yung spot instances, anytime yan, pag kailangan mo na, i-disconnect na lang or pag gano'n.
So, excess lang kasi.
Paano kung it's a critical sa company? So,
delikado nga.
instead na masaya si finance, lalo magagalit.
Mawawala pa yung customers niya.
Tama, sir.
Alright. Ito, last question na natin. You are running an application on a load balance group of 10 EC2 instances. Which of the following metric would you use to check how many of your application servers are available? Ayan, babasa ng sagot.
Yes, sir. Ang number 1 is healthy instance count, healthy host count, registered host. Yung pang number 4, it's HTTP code _backend _20.
Yan.
Ito,
medyo, I think lahat sila maganda pakinggan, no?
Yes, sir.
Pero ang hirap ng, pag masyadong malapit yung choices, minsan yun yung mahirap eh.
Yeah, pero kung titignan ko rito, siguro ako, hindi talaga ako sigurado sa answer, but definitely I'll do again yung same, sir, yung pag-eliminate. Sinasabi niya kasi it's to running application on a load balanced group of 10 EC2 instances.
Oo, ELB.
ELB. The following metrics you should check how many of your application servers are available. Actually, parang tama nga lahat eh. Kasi itong una, healthy instance count. So, you have, EC2 yung inaano mo eh. Yung i-verify or i-check mo. Number 2, it's host. Pwede rin sa host level. Kasi instances itong mga to eh. Yung registered host, parang hindi na masyadong, I'll eliminate yung registered host. Itong HTTP code, _backend, _200, medyo wala akong idea dyan, sir.
Parang sinasabi niya, nagre-return ng 200 status. Di ba may 200, 300, 400. So pag 200, available yun.
Oh, pwede. So kung 200 available siya.
Return successful. So kaya medyo mahirap to eh, natanong. Okay lang yan. Minsan ganun talaga.
May mga ganung questions eh. Well, just to share, nung nag-exam ako, sir, ang ginagawa ko, hindi ako nag-i-stay sa isang question na hindi ko alam. Kasi it would definitely parang ubusin yung oras mo eh.
Tama.
So ang ginagawa ko noon, pag hindi ko alam masyado yung question, tapos pumunta ako sa elimination at hindi ko pa rin talaga alam, I'll move to the next question. And then ipa-flag ko na lang yung tapos babalikan ko siya pag may excess time ako.
Tama.
At least, yeah.
Kaso sa ganitong show, wala tayong babalikan eh.
Tapos pagbalik mo dito, talagang definitely kung hindi mo talaga siya na-encounter or hindi mo siya kinonfigure, medyo may hirapan ka pa rin kahit binalikan mo siya.
Tama.
Which is, it's time para do the wild guess. Ako sir, yung 200, yung number 4.
200. Ako, feeling ko, ako mismo 300 yung sagot ko. Kasi, hindi lang ako sure kung ang registered, part lang siya ng pool, pero nakalimutan ko kung considered registered pa rin ba, kung active siya sa application. Pag natanggal siya sa ELB, kung tawag pa rin ba niya registered or baka unregistered. Pero usually, kaya hindi rin ako sure. So, ang sagot mo dito ay 400, no?
Sige, sir.
Sige, tingnan natin.
Parang malayo ata.
Ay, pareho tayong mali.
Yes,
healthy host count. So, sa isa instance, registered, ito siguro yung lahat, no?
As a whole kasi
as a whole. Pero yung healthy lang is yung healthy host.
Healthy host.
Oo. Na-trick question tayo dito, no? That means kailangan natin mag-aral pa rin.
Tama, sir.
Kahit certified tayo, minsan kailangan natin ng refresher.
Yes, kailangan ng refresh.
Ayun, so sir, salamat sa ating time here, no? Mabilis lang. 17 minutes na actually.
Sir, thank you. Salamat sa pag-imbita.
Ano last words mo for our viewers?
For like me, nung nag-start ako aiming to for AWS, at least maghanap kayo ng groups. So you're welcome sa group natin, sir.
Tama.
AWS User Group Philippines sa Facebook account. So kahit ako noon, I don't have any wala akong experience. Ang experience ko lang with AWS before, nakalagin ako, nakapag-create ako ng EC2, that's it. So hindi ko alam yung kabuuan ni AWS, like different services. Nakatulong sa akin si AWS User Group Philippines para ma-meet yung mga tao, the same passion na gustong makapag-aral sa AWS. And I met a lot of people na willing tumulong, sir.
Yes.
Like you. Isa to si Sir
And napaka-friendly namin, guys. And friendly tayo na community, no? So,
yes.
Be active, enjoy, no? So, thank you, sir.
Sir, maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Okay. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe pala. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Yan. Bye.